everyone, and welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. This week, I'll be showing you how to access and edit the custom fields and custom tags inside of Command, as well as where to find them in your settings. As you may be aware, in Command, you can add different tags to each contact depending on what you want to remember and note about them. Check out one of our past contacts videos where we go in depth on tags, how to create them, and ideas on which tags you should implement. As you may also know, in Command, you can create custom fields as well if you're looking to capture specific information. For example, I have a few custom fields such as budget, favorite color, pet's name, and pie flavor. These are just some examples of what you can include. The goal is to capture information and be prompted to capture information that's going to help you grow your relationship with the contact. Now that you know where to find the tags and custom fields on the actual contact card, we're going to navigate up to your name in the drop-down. We're going to go to our settings section. On the left-hand side, go to Command Settings, down to Contacts. First, we're going to click on Contact Tags. By going to this section in Command, you're able to see every single tag that you have available, as well as create new tags here as well. You can search tags in the left-hand corner. For example, if I search Open House, I can see my Open House tag is right here. And then I can edit it if I need to. If I choose to edit this tag, it allows me to change the name as well as the color for this tag. I could also go in and delete this tag if I no longer need it in my database. Similarly, if I click on Create Tag, the same box will pull up. I would just start from scratch. I would choose the name of my tag and choose a color that I feel best matches or will help me remember what that tag means. For example, if I wanted to create a tag for a past client, I would type past client, and then I can choose whichever color I feel best suits this. When I press create tag, I will then be able to navigate to one of the next pages to find this new tag. This page is really handy if you are someone that's created a bunch of tags in the past, but no longer implements them in your new contacts. If you would like to start from scratch, you can delete the ones that you have created. However, as you can see on the right-hand side, some of these options are grayed out. This means that those tags were created by the system, and every agent that uses Command has those tags. You are not able to edit or delete those tags. They will need to stay in your database, but you are not required to use them. Next, I'm going to navigate to the Custom Field section under Command Settings. These are all of the custom fields that I have made default for my contacts. What that means is when I have created each of these custom fields, I filled out the custom field name, I filled out the type. I can make it a text field, text area, drop down, date, checkbox, number, URL, percentage, or currency. And then down here, I have this option to make this custom field a default custom field, which means every single contact that I go in and add from here on out will automatically prompt me to add this information. I have made all of these default fields just because I like to see them every single time I add a new contact. On the right-hand side, I can click on the Edit Pencil button or the Delete button if I would like to delete it from the system. To edit it, it gives me the option to change the name, change the field type, or make this no longer default. You can also search by your custom fields in the top left corner. I will say if you are an agent that loves to give out certain pop buys, or if you like to give out pies during the holidays or certain beverages, definitely adding those as custom fields will help you remember what your contacts prefer. Another great one is allergy. If you are someone that's going to be giving out food or anything that's edible, it's always good to know who has certain food allergies to make sure you can accommodate certain contacts. Now that we've seen the contact tags and the custom fields in settings, I'm going to navigate back to the contact section. I want to show you one more time what that's going to look like when you go to add a contact, this time starting from scratch with the Add Contact button. Of course, you would fill out all of their information, and when I get down to tags, for example, I can search by that new tag that I just created. I can select Past Client, or I can just start typing, and anything that you type can be created as a new custom tag. These tags are specific to you as an agent and what you want to track and categorize for your clients. I'm going to go to Add More Information and down to this custom field. As you can see, all of my default custom fields are right here. Again, if I had not made these default, I would not be able to see them in this section. I can also add a custom field specific to this one contact. If you would like to make a custom field that is default and show up on all of your contacts, make sure to create it through the settings section that I just showed you. When you add a custom field right here, this will be for this one specific contact, not for all of them. I also want to give you guys a reminder that in the top left corner, you can filter by certain tags. When I click on filters, click on tags, I can then search for any of my tags that I already have created and used. I can select it, and I can see all of the contacts that pull up under that tag. Thank you guys for watching. Check out next week's video where I discuss lead management in settings and show you how to use that automation to grow your business. Stay tuned.